Are you in the bag? What are you doing? Chester, what? Oh my God! You're actually not allowed to have donuts. No, you're not allowed to have donuts.
Please doesn't poop.
Oh. Missed you.
I'm going to the bathroom. Can I have some privacy?
No. No, get out. No, Chester. Good job. Oh, so that was enough, thanks. Chester, they're just it's just black nail polish. Hey, stop it. What? No pumpkins. Don't need chapstick. You're a bird. Whoa, who is that guy? Oh, you're a very good boy. Can I put it back on? Oh, now you want to eat it?